Hi guys, so we're back again. We've got next project in on the ramps. We're going to be wrapping this in a Oracle Anthracite metallic, like a matte finish. It's going to look quite nice. It's also having full dechrome as well. Customer has gone away on holiday and we've kind of squeezed him in because obviously it works out ideal for him. So we're going to get it stripped now and start getting it wrapped. So I've just popped door card off just so we can get access to little bolts, just so we can get that mirror cap off, which saves us having to do any cuts or anything just to get around it. And it'll just look a lot cleaner when we can get all the way around without the wing mirror being in the way. Next one's we're going to pop off now is door handles. We'll get them fired off and go from there. Yeah, it's a new day. The car's cleaned, obviously stripped down, cleaned and decontaminated. We had to get all that contamination off paint just so wrap sits a lot better, looks cleaner and there's no little bits of particles underneath it. So now we've got that all done and dusted and out of the way, let's get to some wrapping. What are you doing? Come on, get up. Yeah, get your toys. Oh yeah, let's get it. Right. All right, see you in a bit. Right guys, so we're back. The car is nearly completed, but I ran into a bit of an issue at weekend. I was doing a bit of editing on footage that I had of car and accidentally maybe deleted half of it. So nevertheless, we'll continue anyway. So car's about wrapped now. It's coming along nicely. We've got a little bit of dechroming left to do, such as roof bars, little bits at rear back windows, and some little trims that run along bottom at doors. But other than that, we've got to get it up to the wheel shop now. We're going to get all calipers painted, gloss black on it, so we're going to leave the dechrome for now, send that up there, get them painted, and come back down and finish it off. We'll show you a little bit of progress so far. As you can see, it's looking quite nice now. Hey, shop dog's in view. What are you doing, shop dog? We've got wrap going on now. That's it, a little bit of dechroming out bottoms to do. Roof bars. And the rear back windows. But other than that, she's fully wrapped and looking clean. Right team, we got it back from wheel shop. We've had calipers painted now. Safe to say, it's a wrap. Full dechrome's done. Full wrap finished. It's looking nice. I think customers are going to be over the moon with this one. It does look really well with satin finish. It looks tidy. Hey, you little turd. As you can see, I think she looks nice, so why don't you stay tuned, like, comment and subscribe, and keep an eye out for us next videos. Peace.